Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I am going to tell you about Billion Money. Billion Money is a smart contract recently launched, and there are 4 types of income where without referring anyone also you can earn money by the Audible system. This works based on a stable cryptocurrency called PAX. PAX which is equal to $1. One PAX is equal to $1. PAX is a stable coin which has value of $1. Okay. You need to join Billion Money with 20 packs, which means $20 you need to invest. Through referring your friends also you can make high income. Without referring also you will get income by auto poll system. Let's see how it works and different plans we are going to discuss here. Yeah, first of all, why choose Billion Money? It is impossible to scam as it is smart contract uploaded to blockchain Ethereum. It is a cryptocurrency based on cryptocurrency which is PAX. It's not possible to scam, yeah. And advantages of Billion Money: work from home, which gives very good opportunity to everyone and everything in blockchain, so nobody can scam it. And there is no withdrawal limit. You can withdraw how much ever you need to withdraw. And which wallet and currency support. The wallet you can use Coinbase, MetaMask or Trust Wallet. I prefer Trust Wallet because I use that one. The currency based on this is Paxos, which is PAX. You need to buy 20 packs for registration. And let's talk about opportunities. There are 5 opportunities. First one is level income, second one is uni-level income. These both in these both type of incomes you will get paid till 20 level incomes. Third one is auto poll income, where you don't need to refer anybody, you will get that auto poll income whenever the participants joins. Fourth one is recycle income, where you should recycle. That means you need to buy $20 of level and you should activate it once again after 180 days. And your downline also should recycle their account. They should activate their level 1, level 2, etc. Whenever they activate their levels, you will get income. And the next one is most important one, that is global dividend income. No smart contract website has introduced this. This was first time introduced by Billion Money. So to qualify for this income, you need to refer just 10 direct partners through which you will get monthly global dividend income. Just 10 direct partners you need to refer. After that you will be eligible to get income every month lifelong. This has never happened in any smart contract, hence I am sure that this will create very good impact on people. As this is recently launched, you will have good opportunity to get early position and earn good income. Okay guys, next we shall see about the marketing plan. This is the marketing plan. Firstly, you will enter to Billion Money with $20 after buying with 20 packs, and after referring 2 more people under you, you will get $10 and $10 from each of your downlines, so that you will get $20 from that both of them. Now you need to upgrade your level to level 2 using the $20. Let's see about the levels. First level is for $20. After you are registering, you will automatically go into the first level. After you referring 2 more people, you will get $20 and you need to upgrade to second level. And the similar process for third level $40 and fourth level $140, fifth level $600, and etc. You can see that there are up to 10 levels. Now let's see how this system works and how you can earn. So after registration you are eligible to receive money. So you can go through this chart. As I mentioned you above, you need to after you referring 2 more people, so you will get $20, and after same the process goes like that only. After they refers to 2 peoples, you will get your second line gets 4 peoples, and after they referring to 2 peoples, your third line gets 8 peoples, right? Yeah, this system goes like that only. Now this is how you will get income. See, if you refer 2 peoples, you will get $10 from each of them. 2 into $10 is equal to $20. In your second line you will have 4 peoples, you will get $15 from each of them, so you will get $60, right? And in third level you will have 8 peoples, you will get $30 from each of them, and you will get $240. Okay, like that only. You can go through this chart, you can take a snap of it. Now this is uni-level bonus, where you will be getting paid till 20 levels. You will get extra 5% bonus in level 1 per each person you refer. With the referring amount, what you will get the $10, etc. With that you will get extra 5% bonus in level 1 per each person, and in level 2 you will get extra 3% bonus. and in level 3 you will get extra 2%, and level 4 to 10 1%, level 11 to 20 you will get 0.5% extra income. So this is how this uni level bonus works, and this is auto polls. I told you right, here members will be placed automatically even if you don't refer as soon as the participant increases. For example, let's see line 7, 2187 people. If you assume that 2187 people joined globally under you, okay, they have registered under your auto pool, then you will earn more than $600 without doing anything. See, even if you doing nothing, without doing anything, you can earn money. You can grab this opportunity as early as possible, as this is recently launched. You will get more downloads if you join right now. Yeah, you can use my referral ID. It is 333. Yeah, you can use while you're registering, they will ask the referral ID. You can use mine. If you want to join under me, you can use my referral ID. It is 333. Now this is also same. You can go through this chart also. You can take a snap of it. Now global dividend income, I have told you right, you need to refer just 10 direct partners where you will get monthly income. You will eligible to get monthly income, which company gets, they will give this much percent to you monthly basis. You will get lifelong after you just referring 10 direct peoples. As I have already mentioned above, you need to join 10 direct partner to become eligible for this monthly income lifetime. Okay, now steps to enroll. First, you need to download any 3 of these wallet apps. I prefer Trust Wallet because I am using it, and from Trust Wallet you need to buy 20 packs. You will be having doubts that how I need to buy 20 packs. You can contact me. I have given in my description, I have given my Insta ID. You can contact me in my Instagram. Again, on step 2, you should go to the website billionmoney.live. I will show you the website later. You should go through that, and there you can see an option called registration or login. You need to press that, and you should, from the Trust Wallet you need to press that one, and you need to press login automatically, so that it will appear like this one screen, like in the third step 3 it's there, no, like that you can see. And you need to, there they will mention they will ask the referral ID. You need to write your referral ID, whoever is referring you. If you want to join under me, you can use referral ID 333, and you should press join Billion Money. It will automatically cut the 20 packs from your Trust Wallet. You need to add 20 packs at the beginning in your Trust Wallet, and after that you should confirm. Now I am going to show you this one. What is that? I am going to show you the website billionmoney.live. Let's see that. I am going to open the website. The website is billionmoney.live. I am going to refresh it once again. This is a decentralized earning program. This is powered by Paxos Standard. This is the link which I have told you, registration or login. You need to press this one for registration. This is a decentralized system which is running on the blockchain Ethereum ecosystem. It is a decentralized application. Guaranteed success, truly transparent. This is totally risk free as it is powered by Paxos. It is impossible to scam, smart contract, right? So you can see this total participants 510, as it is recently launched. You can grab a very good opportunity to join now. See, total participants are 510. Participants are earned $17,440. Today's participants are 57. Yeah, you can choose any of these wallets. I prefer Trust Wallet. You can download it from Play Store. Yeah, I have told you the registration process, right? The same process goes here. Yeah, see this one. You can take a snap of it. Yeah, this is the website. After watching this one, if you have any doubts, you can contact me on Instagram. I have provided my Instagram ID in my description. I have also given the link to join this one, billionmoney.live. If you are interested, you can join me, or if you have any queries, you can contact me on Instagram. I have provided my Insta ID in description, and I have also provided these level types of incomes in description. You can go through it. Thank you very much.